First, engineers and designers think about the new car. They decide how fast the car will be, how many people it can seat, and what special features it will have. Then, they create 3D computer models and detailed blueprints. These blueprints show the design of every part of the car. Now, engineers choose the necessary components to actually build this design. This includes the engine, tires, body panels, fuel tank, brakes, and electronic components like sensors, microchips, and computers. These components are sourced from all over the world. Now, all these components are assembled into different parts of the car. Robots help in placing the engine into the body. Sensors, electronic chips, and cables are soldered in the right places. This way, every part of the car is connected to each other. By now, the car's hardware is ready. To make it work, software is needed. Operating systems, infotainment systems, navigation software, and other apps are installed in the car. These are called firmware. Until now, the manufactured cars have to go through rigorous testing. Every small and big part is tested. Is the engine running properly? Are the brakes working well? Are all the lights functioning? Only the cars that pass all the tests are sent ahead. Now, the cars that have passed the tests are carefully packaged. They are filled with fuel and include chargers, manuals, and some life hacks for the car. Finally, these packaged cars are loaded onto big trucks and sent to dealerships and distributors all over the world. This is how our cars reach us.